In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid high Coinbase fees. We all know that managing our investment costs is an important part of trading. Reducing fees can help maximize your gains over time. So today, let's dive into 5 effective strategies to keep those fees low while using Coinbase. First up, consider using Coinbase's advanced trade instead of the regular buy or sell feature. When you access the advanced trade option, you're tapping into the platform's more sophisticated trading features, which are geared towards serious traders. This allows you to interact with a broader marketplace, potentially scoring better rates. The regular buy or sell method is convenient, sure, but it often comes with more fees that can cut into your investment returns. By shifting to the advanced trade feature, you can take a more hands-on approach and help reduce those pesky costs. Next, let's talk about limit orders. When you place a limit order, you become a maker in the market, which means you're adding liquidity. Makers typically enjoy lower fees compared to takers who remove liquidity. This is because you're setting your own buying or selling price rather than accepting the current market one. It's a strategic move offering twofold benefits. Not only are you reducing your fees, but you're also applying more control over the price point at which you trade. So, whenever possible, aim to use limit orders to reduce overall expenses. Another key tip, avoid making small purchases. It might be tempting to invest incrementally, especially if you're testing the waters, but be mindful that fees proportionally are much higher on lower transaction amounts. Accumulating your funds and making larger trades less frequently can help to significantly reduce the percentage of your investment that goes towards fees. In the long run, those savings can really add up, contributing positively to your investment strategy. Moving on, always compare fees before executing a trade, because not all cryptocurrencies are created equal in this regard. Some coins on Coinbase might have more favorable fee structures, and being aware of those differences can save you money. Keeping fees in mind might also influence which assets you choose to invest in, making your portfolio leaner and more cost effective. Finally, whenever you're depositing funds into your Coinbase account, opt for bank transfers, specifically ACH transfers, rather than using debit or credit cards. While cards offer convenience, they often come with higher transaction fees. Bank transfers might take a little longer to process, but the cost savings can be substantial, making it the better option for those looking to minimize fees. And there you have it. By applying these strategic steps, you're well on your way to managing your investment costs more effectively. Remember, every little bit saved on fees is more that can grow in your portfolio. Thanks for watching and happy trading.